Today we're shrink wrapping a factory-built substation.
You unroll the Dr. Shrink over the substation. There's a fiber band that wraps around the bottom, and as you heat it, it sticks back to itself over the fiber band.
We want it tight.
And you start applying heat, and it shrinks up to the modular substation.
And normally we would ship the station open air from the factory to the job site. We build substations in the factory in a controlled, high quality environment, and we're committed to delivering the same quality product to your job site that leaves our factory. These factory-built stations travel hundreds of miles.
Yeah, about 2,000, 2,500 miles across the country.
Think about your car, what it would look like after a road trip across the country.
There'll be a lot of bug and road grime on your car.
They don't make car washes for substations.
Nope, haven't found one yet.
So we're shrink wrapping them to keep them clean.
Any kind of contamination can create hot spots or insulator tracking. The electricity can track down the insulators and go to ground, which deletes the purpose of the insulators. Oh, it would take a couple of days to have to go through and check everything and possibly run tests on it to make sure all the insulators are cleaned and all the live parts are clean. There's no bug contamination in any of the jaws.
This is very important to customer service.
As it gets to the location, we don't want the customer to have to go through cleaning or be worried about anything.
The substation is going to look brand new, just like it did when it left here.
This will eliminate any cleaning once it gets on site. It's about probably the better part of a full day with 3 guys to wrap one.
We went through this a couple of times. It was the initial trial.
If you put too much heat, you can blow holes in it. If you don't apply enough heat, then it won't shrink up like it's supposed to.
So we wrapped the substation, unwrapped the substation.
We've learned the fine lines of how much of heat to apply to it.
And then wrapped it again to make sure we got this thing right.
For the loading process, we're installing zipper holes. Once it's loaded, we can take our slings off, zip it up. When it gets to the location, they can unzip, hook their slings up, pick it up, set it on the ground, and then unwrap it.
The shrink wrap is really easy to remove. You just cut it off.
It takes about 15 minutes with a box cutter.
We send bags for recycling that you can put the scrap wrap in.
They put it in the bags, and UPS will come pick the bags up
and ship back to the shrink wrap factory to reduce environmental waste.
When the station's ready to install.
It's going to look just like it left our factory here when we built it.
However it leaves our shop is how it'll show up to the customer.
It's a commitment to quality, a commitment to customer service, and we want the best product coming to your door.